Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of negative s over 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by this one and number one. Similar for this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both side. First derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 e to the power of s over 2. First derivative of this one with the negative in here. So negative and negative, you got positive, and we have positive 1 over 2 e to the power of negative s over 2. Next, we have 1 over 2, 1 over 2. So we can do about factorization. Because we don't have 1 over 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. This one with the s which change to the u. The integration of this one, we have to ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.